I'd like to go over one question that has to do with substitution. I think this is a little bit harder than some of the ones that we've been doing in class. So they tell us that our function f is continuous and the integral of f of u du from 0 to 8 is equal to 6. They want to know what is the value of x times f of x squared minus 1 dx from 1 to 3. So in order to do this problem, you have to recognize that you can't really do much if you do not substitute in x squared minus 1 for u. So I'm going to start by doing that. So we're going to end up getting du equals 2x dx, which gives me du over 2x is equal to dx. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite my integral, keeping in mind that that 1 and that 3 are x values. So I end up getting x times f of u. I'm going to replace my du, or my dx, with du over 2x. So those x's are going to cancel out. So I end up getting 1/2, I'm going to bring that 2 out front, times the integral of f of u du from x equals 1 to x equals 3. And you'll notice that right now what I have here, this part without the 1/2, almost looks the same as the integral that I have up top. The only difference is that they have changed those x values to u values, and we can't really do anything with this problem if the x equals 1 doesn't correspond to 0 and if the x equals 3 doesn't correspond to 8. So we're going to hope that they do. So let's go ahead and try that out. I'm going to do this up here next to my u stuff. So for x equals 3, that is going to go along with u equals 3 squared minus 1, which is u equals 8. So that's good so far. For x equals 1, that's going to go along with u equals 1 squared minus 1, which is 0. That's looking good. So now I can rewrite this equation here as 1/2 times the integral of f of u du from u equals 0 to u equals 8. And you'll notice that that's actually, that's the same thing I have listed above. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to take this thing right here and replace it with 6, because I was already told above that that's equal to 6. So I get 1/2 times 6. My answer ends up being 3. So the answer for this one is B.